How many legs does a dog have if you call his tail a leg? 4. Saying that a tail is a leg doesn't make it a leg. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live by the light that I have. I must stand with anybody that stands right, and stand with him while he is right, and part with him when he goes wrong. Most folks are as happy as they make up their minds to be. The philosophy of the schoolroom in one generation will be the philosophy of government in the next. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. You can fool all the people some of the time, and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Sir, my concern is not whether God is on our side, my greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right.